This is the Nextgile Roadmap chapter. This is where you learn the how-to of Nextgile readiness and operation. You have learned the principles. Now it's time for action. Let's get started. Now let's take a look at this simple diagram. We call this the Nextgile Roadmap. This provides our steps towards Nextgile readiness in a clockwise direction. The starting point is at the 12 o'clock position. The roadmap has multiple steps we must attend to for Nextgile readiness. The first step on our blue half is purpose. Then we have promise, followed by prediction. Then finally, performance. Completing these steps sees our blue preparation phase of readiness complete. Next, on our green half, we have structure, followed by roles, then process, and finally, content. Completing these steps sees our green setup phase of readiness complete. Together, the preparation and setup phases bring us to readiness for Nextgile operation. This is where the action starts to happen. Recall the improvement cycle and the way in which this works. This directs us to answer a specific question designed to focus on one particular outcome: improvement. Now recall the continuous advancement cycle, or CA, which directs us to multiple questions. The first half, the blue half, represents change. The second half, the green half, represents improvement. Note the darker segments show us structural, while the lighter segments show us cyclical. The complete CA cycle gives us 4 possible outcomes: structural change, cyclical change, structural improvement, and cyclical improvement. Once implemented, CA is critical in operationally driving our Nextgile roadmap. The CA cycle quadrants are color-coded to match the elements of the roadmap. CA is the guidance piece to direct us to where our time and attention to work on the business will be most valued. It's a simple matter of identifying the type of feedback and connecting the colors, so to speak. This is how you tune in to deliver exceptional client experience and keep getting better. As you can see, in dark blue, structural change directs our attention to purpose and promise. In light blue, cyclical change refers us to prediction and performance. In dark green, structural improvement points us to structure and roles. While in light green, cyclical improvement directs efforts to process and content. CA, together with each roadmap topic, completes the Nextgile readiness. Once in readiness, and then moving to use the roadmap operationally in the business, the power of Nextgile can be seen. It easily directs us to where efforts are most needed to advance the business and deliver that exceptional client experience. We will explore each component of the roadmap in detail throughout this chapter, together with CA as the centerpiece.